This is for the 2357 slash 1605 MVQ, right? And I want to show you what a lot of you are getting wrong. Unit 312, right? We've got to be mindful. We've got to cover Unit 312, right? And it's the environmental unit. I've sent you all a bit of information on the 312, right? But guys, nobody knows how solar hot water works. You all keep failing it, like. So I'm just going to explain it to you, right, in this picture here, so nobody should get it wrong anymore. But you got to realize, like, the stuff I send you, I send it to help, but I don't want to spoon feed you either. Do you know what I mean? Like, so you got to do some flipping work here as well. Like, so anyway, look, the sun hits this solar panel here, right? No, there's no water in this solar panel. This is the biggest thing. You guys keep telling me this is filled with water, and then that water goes into the house. It's bollocks. Everyone would die of poisoning. You can't do that. This solar panel is filled with copper pipes. All right, like they snake around like that, right? And in those copper pipes is a refrigerant that's got a very low boiling point. It boils at about 38 degrees, okay? So what happens is the UV hits the panel heats up the copper pipes. The refrigerant inside there with a really low boiling point gets hot, heat rises, so it goes up to the top, and then the refrigerant goes down the pipe. The copper pipe goes into this tank, right? Now, the copper pipe then, right, it acts as a heating element, yeah? So it's not feeding water directly to the house, right? It's a heating element. So there's the cold water feed, look, that goes into the tank. That tank's just full of cold water. That's a heating element, which essentially acts like an immersion heater, yeah? And then it starts off hot, and as it goes down towards the cold feed, it gets colder and colder. The pump then, look, pumps it up and around, and then it just goes back and the whole thing starts again. And that's how the solar hot water works. There's also going to be a tank. There's either going to be like a separate tank or like a double coil tank where there's an actual heating element from the boiler, yeah? And that boiler then will be like a supplementary heat. So it'll either be like a boiler or an immersion heater to give hot water when the solar's either nighttime and all being used up, or you need extra hot water. Okay. So that's the way a solar thermal collector works, right? It doesn't heat water up directly from the sun and put the bath on and the sun's heated the bath. That's not how it works, right? That's the technical way it works. So if anyone else gets this wrong after this now, I'm going to kill you. Right, cheers.